Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create gradient galaxy background. Create a black canvas and add a gradient fill layer, and also open gradient editor and choose purple to blue tones and add extra colors, stops, magenta, pink cane, use radial gradient style. Now paint some white dots as stars, blur some for distance effects, duplicate and increase size for brightness, and add a gradient map to unify tone. Overlay a nebula texture if desired. Blend it with screen mode. The galaxy lights blend beautifully. Add a vignette for cosmic depth. This works great for all wallpaper or posters. Your galaxy gradient scene is complete. Thanks for watching.